These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is provided for educational purposes only. Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today I'll try to take some trades based on candlestick psychology, and I'm looking to take my first trade right here. I've been looking at the chart and I found some amazing setups that they already worked, and I want to explain them to you as well. So this is a beautiful level, as you can see. And now, basically I was trying to take the candle after this candle, which is an exhaustion candle. But I saw the gap up and I waited for the next candle. And then I saw this gap down, and that's why I took this trade. This is a good opportunity to get into the market in this chart. And previously, I saw some beautiful setups. For example, this one, we do have the trend line, and then we have a QM, and we have a supply right here. I found a lower time frame entry on this one, and also we have gap up. This would be an amazing entry to have right here, and I'll show you the lower time frame. This one is about to close, and I want to take a little screenshot of this one and put it in my journal. By the way, about the journal, we upgraded the servers to a super fast server. Right now, if you're a user, you'll feel a lot more responsive and fast if you've been using this, because we already have a lot of users and we need to satisfy everyone, and this is going to be a hard thing to do unless we upgrade everything, right? So yeah, this would be the trade I would take, which I missed. This would be the other zone that I marked, and right now, as you can see, we missed. So why did I mark these two areas? Basically, we have a support area which is breaking by strong force. If you look above, you see a supply. The green zone is a supply. If I go to lower time frame, you see right inside the supply we do have a lower time frame entry, which would be this entry, and then we do have this trend line, as you can see. First, second, third touch of a trend line. We need to it closes here. The next candle started with a gap up starting from the trend line. So that's another confirmation for us to have this is a red one, and this is a safer entry for us to take the trade. Same for this one. This is a demand zone. As you can see, if we look at this in 5 minutes, you see an engulfing pattern, and then in 1 minute, this is a beautiful demand zone. And even if we go to lower time frames, as you can see, there's a overlap right here, which if we go even smaller, you'll see the lower time frame entry. Right. So this would be the entry for me, and I was talking the moment the chart was here, so we missed this one. It's easy to miss a lot of opportunities when you are recording your session. You can try it. It's pretty difficult to record at the same time and also try to take the best decisions at the same time in trading. It's pretty difficult. So this is the common point of rejection for this particular trade. So what we do here in this kind of trading, we add up reasons. Okay, we add up the reasons to take a trade, and that makes us to take the highest probability trades. Okay. So basically here we have common point of rejection. We do have a demand which is causing the breakout and higher time frame engulf, and all this happening in the higher time frame engulf, which makes it even stronger. So yeah, that's those two setups. This is our first trade. We have a very beautiful little doji right here, as you can see. And I can probably trust this doji break. All right, I'm going to take this one. Let's go. doji break finally happened right here. As you already know, and I have explained about 1,000 times already, this is a ranging market. Yeah, this is so obvious that this is a ranging market. In a ranging market that we do have some dojis right at the middle, like this one, it means that you can trust them. Okay, unless you have gaps against you. You can trust them unless you have gaps against you. For example, here, doji break above from broke from above. This would be the trade to take. Here also same broke. This would be the sell trade to take. Remember, I said unless you have gaps. Here we do have gap down, which is in the favor of buyers, and change the result of the trade. I'm going to take a little screenshot of this one real fast for my journal. There we go. And this would be my second trade. Let's go. Yeah, as you can see, the journal is much faster now, and I'm glad we were able to fix that slowness. And right now it's just super responsive by upgrading the servers. I'm going to look for the opportunity. Guys, if you're planning to become a student, this is the only time that you can sign up. After that, we will have some crazy, like drastic changes in the way that we do mentorships, and probably will take some time to start another intake. So if you plan to join, this will be the only time that you would have the opportunity. Also, we're developing a practicing tool for the website, and that's also pretty interesting. It will be available for the students for the new intake. All right, so this is a demand zone right now. As you can see, this is causing a breakout. This is a demand. This is a demand. I need to find the setup. This is also a QM, and we do have nice little trading line, a trend line. I'm sorry, trading line. Fuck. Let me just mark the QM real fast. This is the QM zone. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. QM zone right here. Then we need to check the higher time frame, 3 minutes or 5 minutes. We do have 5-minute engulf, as you can see, but the QM zone is outside the engulf, so that's the risky type of QM. And for entry, overlapping below or demand or supply zone above or below the QM zone itself would be what we care about. And as you can see, the overlap is still there. Overlap in 10 seconds, overlap in 15 seconds. That's a confirmation for us to know that this is the correct entry zone if we don't have a demand zone. But again, this would be the entry, the candle close above. Make sure you use these settings. Some of you message me and say that why the candle is closed but my trade is still running, or my trade closed before the candle close. The reason is you haven't made this zero. The third part of the timer should be 0. Okay, and this would be on +1. This way your trade will exactly closes on the candle close. That way, even if we have like 10 seconds remaining of the candle and it touches your entry and you take the trade, it's going to close. Your trade is going to close in 10 seconds with the candle. Okay, and this would be your winning trade. Otherwise, it would be messed up. All right. And one of the main reasons that I do not trade main markets, for example, AUD CAD, this is not non-OTC, right? The moment I switch to AUD CAD, boom, it changes to +2. Okay. It doesn't have +1 anymore. And this is my main and only reason to trade OTCs, because OTCs has +1 and we can easily trade that. Before, we used to have +1 for the main parts as well. So apparently traders were making a lot of money trading 1 minute, and then they removed it. I don't know. So yeah, just remove this. Yeah. If you would like me to have a trading session with the main charts, if you want to trade main pairs, we need to switch to the timer mode, which is a little bit difficult, but it's doable though. It's not, I'm not saying it's not doable, it's doable. But it's just easier for me to play an OTC. All right. Beautiful market. All right, so I was looking to take a sell on this pair, but then I noticed, oh my god, we do have a crazy momentum going up. So selling here would be crazy dumb. And if I wanted to have any sell opportunity in this one, just take it as super small trade. Okay, right now I don't see any setups, to be honest. I'm just keep looking. Oh my god, we missed some amazing setups. Some third touch, some common point of rejection. Look at that. I wish I was in this chart. I don't see any setup, guys. And what we do when we don't see any setup, you just keep looking for them. Or if you get tired or frustrated, you just pause your session. You see, we do have a pause button right here. Once you pause it, your journal also pauses. Okay? Because if you pause your session, but the journal is still running, you may not take a single trade until tomorrow, which still will keep the journal running. So the date for the journal will be for the day before. So that's why we have a pause button. If you have paused your session, you just push the pause button. That way your statistics will be a lot more accurate in terms of like the session length and stuff like that. I don't see any setup, guys. I'm sorry. Oh my god, we missed this beautiful trade. The market is bullish. I don't want to go with the sellers on this one. Again, we missed this one as well. This is a demand zone causing a huge breakout. If I was going to the lower time frame, I would find lower time frame entry there, which, man. Alright, I want to take a sell right now. And yeah, even though we do have a little gap down in the favor of buyers, and we will have, this is a green one. I was hoping that this common point of rejection is gonna work. I broke my rule. When you have a gap down, you never want to go take a sell on that candle. I deserve to lose this trade. Honestly, I just keep looking for the setups, and I don't want to end the session without finding a trade. Okay, get back the money. That was actually a draw. Unbelievable. Market tried to humble me, and then I was explaining, and then I decided, okay, let this one slide, and then yeah, let this one slide. So I'll make it okay. I guess we need a draw button for the journal. It will be added soon. And yeah, okay. I want to add a $1 as a $1 because I don't want to miss this trade, and I want to do it as a win. This is just a $1 trade, and it was a draw. I don't have a draw button, so I have to do this and have a note. This was a alright, so I added this as a win. I will add a draw button right here. We will add a draw button right here, and that would be nice. I'm gonna end this session. Did you follow it? Yes, yes. I explained the. All right, see, the journal is super fast right now. I hope you enjoyed, man. We took some good trades. Make sure you join Telegram channel if you want to become a student. Thank you for watching, and peace out.